Hi guys, this lesson we're going to talk about AprilTag checking. This game combines color recognition and tag recognition. After recognizing colored block, TonyPi Pro will pick it up and place it on AprilTag. The principle and command used in this lesson can be viewed in the file under the same directory. Now let's get started. Firstly, open LX terminal, enter command and press enter to come to the directory of game programmings. Please note that you must pay attention to case sensitivity and can following keyword with tab key. Then, enter the following command and press enter to start the game. Now let's look at the performance. Okay, this is the end of the video. Please have a try.